Yes, sir. I like the way this screen is looking. Hold on, guys. I'm about to connect it real quick. All right, let's get back to it. We've connected to the Wi-Fi. So you have three choices for protecting the device. You have a fingerprint ID, face recognition, and a lock screen password. But I'll set that up later. Skip. Huawei ID. Account for you to do the cloud, find the device, app gallery, Huawei wallet, video, music. You see it all on the screen. Let's go. I don't have a Huawei ID. Let's see if it allows us to go past that. So if you don't set it up with a Huawei ID, it'll tell you that you need to have a Huawei ID to use all features and services that I just explained. We're gonna leave. I don't know what this is. Oh, so I disabled the ads. I disabled the personalized ads. Auto update, I'll probably leave that enabled. So I guess this screen is some enhanced services so you can access certain things, but I'll select no thanks for that right now. User experience, I'll deal with that later. Location services, we can enable that later. I'll enable the software updates. Let's go. I'm gonna set it up as a new device. I'm going to keep the micro G in a G box because apparently that's how you download the Google apps. So I'll keep those apps checked. And it looks like we're in, guys. Smooth. We don't deal with that beauty mode. We are who we are. Pretty decent camera. I can't complain. But I don't care about cameras on tablets. But I guess we can go ahead and try to connect the pencil. So this pencil came with the bundle that I bought. And here it is. Oh, I got a little weight to it. Let's see if we can get this pencil connected. Looks like all you have to do is connect it to the top. Once it reads the pencil, it's connected to the pad. And this uses Nearlink. So even if Bluetooth is off, you can still connect the pencil. Looks like the pencil is connected. Let's open the notes. Agree, get started. New note, blank. The pencil definitely feels good to write with. Like and subscribe. My handwriting is so bad. Now let's test out the case. That didn't work out like I wanted it to. I like the way this case feels. Very light, magnetic.
Again, guys, this is the Huawei MatePad Mini
with the paper matte display, my first Huawei product, and I'm sure it won't be the last. If you guys want to know the specs, I'll leave it in the description. And if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.